Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for Hip Kit Club with a new sketch-based layout. So this is this week's sketch, and I want to show you what I made of this. I'm working with the December kits. They are all exclusives this time, so we have exclusive papers and die cuts and stickers and lots of other embellishments and different stuff. And I want to have a heart-shaped picture on my page. I just used the impact font to cut some letters and a heart. And I have a black and white picture, which I have heart-shaped now. And this layout is about our love for ginger lemon syrup. So I want to use this paper, which kind of reminds me of the color of ginger. So this is the perfect paper here for me, and I want to combine it with different tones of blue. So we have only two main colors here on this page, and I'm backing the blanks now with blue pattern papers. First of all, I want to use the Vichy paper, and then another light blue one here, and I just adhere it to the cardstock, and the V will stay blank, so it will be covered by the yellow paper. All right, so now it's time to to adhere the cardstock to my paper, and then I can start to embellish this basic composition of my page. Okay, so we have lots of different embellishments again, and I start to use the die cuts, and then I'm going to flip through all the other embellishments. That is always a fun thing to do, and we'll have some little clusters here and there, and I also want to use this acetate border, and then I'll see what else I can add. So when following sketches, I just get inspired by some elements. I don't only I don't feel that you have to follow it closely. You can do so, of course, but you can also be inspired by some elements and then make your own thing. So that's what I'm doing now. I was inspired by the heart shape and by the word love, and now I add some embellishments here and there, and that's always a fun thing to do. So I love those bows that you can build from one of the die cut packs, and now I just have layered some of the die cut branches and leaves here, and I want to add another bow, and I really like those bows. They have such beautiful patterns, and I like the 3D effect that they have, and different textures are always a nice thing to have on your pages. So here we have a mixture of paper, chipboard stickers, and acetate pieces, puffy stickers, and yeah, the picture of course also adds another texture, so different textures make your pages a lot more interesting. The yarn, the sewing yarn which I used behind one of the die cuts also yeah, adds dimension. So try to use different things on your layouts, and tiny details make big differences. Like yeah, here I'm just adding some tiny puffy stickers, and they really make the page more interesting, and yeah, really make a difference. Right, so the puffy stars are really beautiful, I feel. And now I want to check my chipboards if I can add something else. And yeah, I guess that I will find some more little bits and pieces like this tiny heart, which I really want to add here. And now I also have some enamel dots, which I will use later. And first of all, I want to create my title. And I ordered the Pocket Pages kit this time. So I have these tiny little alphabet stickers, which are really awesome. So they come in 2 different colors. And I love the font and the shapes, so this is really pretty. And yeah, I can just recommend ordering different kits, because you have so many different embellishments to choose from then. And yeah, you can just do everything you want to, and you don't have to be afraid to run out of material. So here, with these kind of stickers, you can even create long titles. So in my case, it is ginger lemon syrup. And yeah, you see that this is a nice addition to the main kit and to the embellishment kit. All right, so I want to add some more yarn here behind my blue bow. And then afterwards I also want to add some dots and sprinkles. And of course I also have to do some journaling. So this syrup is very popular here at home. My kids love it, and we drink it mixed up with water. And yeah, just want to write some information about this drink, and then I can add my date, or I will just add the year, and afterwards I will only add some tiny details as a finishing touch. And then I have a nice new layout for my album. So I mixed up some Lindy's powders now in gold. So this way I have some golden splashes. Of course, I cover my picture here so that I don't mess it up. And I take off the color immediately because I don't want it to become too intense. So this is kind of the same color that we have in the background paper. And now I just add the year stamp, and then I can add some enamel dots. And that is my layout. So if you want to play along, you can just create your own sketch-based layout and post it into the Hip Kit Club Facebook group. And there is also a chance to win a gift certificate. So don't hesitate to show us your creations. I'm sure you have lots of ideas on how to use this sketch. All right, so you see, this is my page. You see some different elements here, and yeah, that's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have fun using your kits and playing with the sketch. Bye bye.